Day is here and we have some fun gifts for Dad. Let's go ahead and jump right in. We're doing multiple gifts today, gift boxes, grooming kit, golfing, and so much more. First up, we have this really plain looking box, but we're gonna make it exciting. Here are the plastic pieces that came with it to keep it in place, but instead of removing it, we're gonna get creative. Let's go ahead and start filling it with our treats. Oops, there's one dropped already. We're gonna fill it with our treats and then we're gonna move to the next part. Now you can make many Father's Day gifts for a cousin, uncle, a grandpa, and in this case, we're doing the first one, which is for best uncle ever. And here is the shirt that's gonna go in as our first layer of the gift. Now I am gonna rest the black tissue on top so we don't mess up the shirt. Let's get ready for layer 2. Now again, it did come with the plastic pieces to keep the box in place, but we're gonna keep those plastic pieces and add some fun treats. Now we have some Sour Patch gummies and we're just gonna fill the two, just like we did on the first layer. Okay, now for our second layer, we will be putting a beautiful uncle card. So we are going to affix this envelope at the bottom just to keep it in one place and it doesn't move around. And we're just gonna slide it halfway in so that they can see it as they open each layer. Now let's work on our third layer. Now this is a keychain that says the man, the myth, the legend. Leather keychain, which is beautiful, and we are going to put this Happy Father's Day sticker on it to give it that extra good look. And here is the second part, Uncle, the man, the myth, the legend. This is a key holder. You can put your phone in it or anything else, and you can put it next to your bed, you can put it in your kitchen, you can put it anywhere. So we're just going to clip this together so we can have it sit up in the box. Here I'm adding a small piece of tape so we can stick the keychain underneath the leather holder, just so we have that added surprise. I'm just admiring how beautiful this piece is. Now as you can see, the sides are plain, so let's fix that. I'm gonna add some little sticky tabs here, and then we're gonna add some really yummy treats, and I'm gonna add them going down both sides. Have one last glance at this beautiful gift before we wrap it up. I'm going to put this beautiful gold tissue on top, and then the ribbon on the outside will be 2. Now the black ribbon will be an F to represent Father's Day. Every video that I make, I always have a favorite. Let me know your favorite. I think this golf basket will be mine. So first up, we're going to measure out this perfect round circle of this fake grass to put at the bottom of our white container. And here we have it. It is beautiful. We're going to place this in the basket. Now you can glue it or you can just put some double-sided tape. We just want to make sure it does not come up. And here you can see it will not fall out. All right, so next up, we are going to open some of the items. This is a very cool item. You can put this on your desk and they can enjoy a little quick golf game. Those are 3 pins, by the way. Then we have some amazing golfing socks. Look how beautiful they are in the inside. Now we're gonna wrap these up so they don't get any sort of dust or anything while they're in the basket. Now this will go down first so that we can put our pen game on top. Then we will be putting some Mountain Dew sodas that match the basket. That also will give Dad, Uncle, Cousin, Papa some energy on the golf course. Even though we have our first layer of grass, let's pretend our M&Ms are the soil. And then we're gonna lay these beautiful little green pieces as the grass on top of that. Now these pieces have tiny little holes in them, which are pretty neat because we're gonna put a pretty cool item in there. Let's fill them up real quick. Now the cool little items will actually be wooden golf tees. What makes these really cool and special is that they have dad messages on them. So here we have, "You will always be my hero, nice shot dad, best dad by par, you are terrific," and so forth. I thought that was pretty neat. So let's go ahead and put a few in the basket. Now we have our red M&Ms to match the basket, and then we have Happy Father's Day golf balls. We also had a golf ball that had a beer opener on the other end. This was a very fun gift to make. Next up, we have something for Dad and his man cave. So we're gonna put some stickers on this little box. Then we're gonna put it together. As you can see, it is a 6-pack that you can carry sodas in and so much more. In this case, we're gonna put some dad treats. They can be just fun treats or dad essentials. Let's go ahead and tape up the bottom, put 1 more or 2 more stickers on the sides, and then start packing up our treats. How creative are these treat bags? All right, now let's start with some basic essentials that will come in very handy for Dad. This is a travel lint roller, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap that up first. And of course, this will come in handy for at home as well. Next up, we have a bottle opener, which can match Dad's fish tank if he has one. We have some alkaline batteries for your watch or calculator. Then this is a little mini carrier that can come in handy as well. Then we have some gum, and my favorite, this is a back scratcher, and of course it extends. So let's go ahead and wrap up all the gifts. All right, now we have our beautiful little gift set ready. Then we have this cool little game that can match Dad's lounge or man cave tic-tac-toe game. So let's wrap that up and put some dad stickers on that. Small gifts can go a long way and Dad will appreciate it. Let's go ahead and package this gift up. Let's throw in one more gift. Why not? All right, here is the Man Cave goodie bag. Next up, another one of my favorites. I created this sticker on the Cricut Explorer 2. Let me know if you want a tutorial on either. This is the Cricut Press. Now I am putting this sticker on the back of a pillowcase. Now this will be for Grandpa. Now Grandpa just happens to love football or soccer, whatever you refer to it as. And we are also going to add his favorite snack, which is popcorn. So let's go ahead and make this basket. How neat are these little pillow pockets? We have remote hair and glasses hair. All right, so we're going to put some cushion down and some gold tissue paper, and then we're going to start to stack our basket. Again, Grandpa loves popcorn, so we are going to give him a popcorn container, and then we're going to give him different flavors of popcorn. I did stick some tape on these little sticks so that we can have them looking a very creative way in the basket. And here are our 3 flavors. All right, then we're also going to put 3 different color hats. He loves these hats. So we have beige, we have white, and we have black. Right, now we got our hats in. Now let's add some tiny little treats before we put our last added surprise. These treats do have messages on them. They say keep going and so many other positive little notes. Now we're going to do one more little bag here and we're going to put them in. I believe the Butterfingers also have a cute positive note on them. Let's go ahead and put a Father's Day sticker on them, and then we're going to put these in the basket. Since this basket is relatively large, we're going to put our cellophane wrap on the inside of the basket instead of on the outside. And we're going to put it one on the left, one on the right, and it'll make the basket look very decorative. Here I am just stuffing it in to fill that empty space. All right, and here is our Grandpa Happy Father's Day gift basket. I love it. All right, the next one up is a surprise a little bit. So I've already pre-wrapped the first gift that's going in it. Now here are some other treats that we have put in little packages. Again, putting these things in extra packages just gives it more of a surprise. We have this cool trash can that can go in your car. in addition to some other basic items like the Carmex lip balm and some hand lotion. Let's go ahead and assemble our gift. A little bit definitely goes a long way. Now again, let me know in the comments, what do you think? What's your favorite gift so far? Let's get into our grooming essentials gift. No, this is not a bad pen. This can actually go around Dad's neck when he is cutting his hair or his beard, or even dyeing his hair. So first up, we have that beard brush and comb. Next up, we have this beautiful token. This is a pocket hug token for Dad to carry around, and it reads, "Always know you are loved." How cool is that? He can also put it on his keychain. So again, even though this is a grooming essentials gift, we always like to mix it up and put different things, even treats. So let's go ahead and fill up our little grooming kit basket. I love that aromatherapy bracelet. I hope Dad loves it. Now, every dad really needs these socks, right? I'm not sleeping, I'm just resting my eyes. Yeah, we know. Best dad ever. Leather piece is going at the bottom. That is for your phone and your keys. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. Now, we are using 2 cellophane bag designs. Dad's grooming essentials gift. Hope you love it. Happy Father's Day. Let me know which was your favorite.